guys! Welcome back again to this channel, and for today's reaction video, alam ko medyo matagal na tong interview nila but hindi ko pa kasi napapanood eh. So, samahan niyo ako na panoorin to. This is from Mix Global that Bini shares more about their Biniverse World Tour experience. So, tara! Samahan niyo akong manood. At ano bang kaganapan ang meron dito? Let's go!
Hey Gen Mix, we are Beanie, and
Alright.
you're watching Mix, the beat of our culture.
Ooh, okay. If there's one thing that you would do different during the tour,
There's something that we want to change.
What is it?
It's to change our mistakes. If ever man may mga mistakes kami, and for sure meron kami mga mistakes like sa sayaw.
Okay.
Yes, and we will strive to keep improving, and
Yeah, of
kami,
course.
we always aside from trying to improve, we are also very open in terms of exploring new things, like sa mga damit namin, if napapansin ng iba-iba yung damit and things sa Ate Aika. So, yes, we are open to change and improvement.
of course, that's our girls. What are the biggest lesson you have taken from this tour? Okay? What is
feeling
it?
ko yung tour na to, hinumble kami. Well, yun naman yung pinag-usapan namin girls bago kami lumapag ng Philippines, sa parang grabe lang yung timing ng world tour, and may mga shows kasi talaga na talagang konti lang yung nanonood po, like Dallas, 'di ba? Parang parang magugulat na lang kami paglabas namin sa stage, makikita mo talaga yung difference ng ibang city, ganon. Pero doon namin natutunan din na talagang pag nakita mo, pag narinig mo na yung sigaw nila, kasi kahit konti sila, parang yung hindi mo alam kung saan nanggagaling yung sigaw ng mga tao eh, kasi sobrang lakas pa rin, and yun, natutunan namin na talagang always give your 100%. Isa o dalawa lang yung nanonood,
Wow.
or thousands
I like
of
that,
views.
Master Joe.
Yes.
So, wow! May pa-side comment lang ako. So, hindi lahat ng venues nila is sold out talaga. But of course, what I love to these girls na kahit hindi sold out or jump pack or punong-puno yung venue nila, like what Master Joe said, na kahit isa or dalawa lang manood, 100% pa rin nila binibigay yung performance nila. That's our Beanie Girls. Ang dami ko na naman daldal. Eto na! Mahaba-haba. If you could describe the entire journey of your world tour in one word, what would it be and why? Oh, Miss Universe. Char. Sige, sagutin nyo.
If I could describe one word
Let's go, Maloy.
or one word, I think it's
Kahit one sentence, papakinggan kita.
it's life.
Oh.
One word.
Amazing.
New,
Okay.
more pride,
Fulfilling.
Nice one.
Less.
Adventure. Blessing.
Wow.
oh, blessing sa'yo, blessing. Magkibay dulo.
May England.
Do you have any memorable world tour experience that Blooms didn't see online or on stage? What is it? Chismosa.
Hindi. Ay.
Sige, Shi.
Hindi kasi, hindi ito nakwento sa stage.
Ayan.
One fun
Kwento mo dito.
lang. Nung isa sa mga cities namin, nag-laundry kami, nakasira kami ng dryer.
Oh,
Yeah.
when?
Yeah, kami, ako, ako, Ate Jo. Yung mga laundry namin.
Teka lang, yung bunsulay nyo, anong pinaggagawa nyo at nakasira kayo? Pag pinagsama mo talaga tong tatlo, it's totally chaotic. Okay, continue.
Sinapay namin sa labas na, sa likod ng theater. Buti na lang, walang naka-picture ng Blooms or whatever. Pero yun lang. Oh, ayun, fun pa. Oh,
Nakasira
sorry
pa.
po sa dryer. Bayaran namin.
Shit talaga. Wow.
Sira na talaga yun. Bayaran namin pagbalik doon.
Ay, God. Kulit. What was it like to feel the love from Blooms around the world, each expressing their support and connection in unique ways? Okay.
Syempre, very unexpected po na ang dami pala. Marami ring blooms sa iba't ibang lugar, sa iba't ibang bansa na pinuntahan namin. And talagang nakakataba po ng puso makakita ng kahit mga foreigner blooms.
Of
Nagugulat
course.
na kami na, ay, may ano dito, may ibang lahi, gano'n. Kaya,
Ang
very
international
grateful.
kasi
Hindi kami
talaga kayo.
makapaniwala na merong makakakilala pala sa amin. So, thank you so much.
Let's go for
Yes,
global
and add ko lang doon,
domination.
parang may another reason kami para bumalik sa each state. And yun nga, wala kaming na-expect talaga sa tour. Natatakot kami at first. Pero nung nakita namin, it humbled us. And
Ow.
I think it fueled us even more to be better and mag-explore pa ng more cities. Kahit, alam mo yun, kahit 100 lang yung manood o kahit isa lang, parang iba pa rin yung feeling na i-share yung music namin to them.
Nice one. Zero pressure or super pressure. Situations will be given to the members of Beanie and they have to choose whether it gives them zero pressure or super pressure. Okay, let's go. Mic drops in the middle of a performance.
Zero pressure.
Yeah. Kung alam nyo lang yung mga technical issues, yung mga pasahan ng mics nila during their performance, ma-amaze talaga kayo eh. They are so professional and unbelievable. Wow! Dami kong comment. Singing in a cappella. Kayang-kaya yan.
Super pressure.
Ay, super pressure. Okay, sige.
Zero pressure.
Wow! Let's go, Maloy. Performing a dance routine but only had a short amount of time to practice. Kayang-kaya?
Super pressure.
Super pressure. Performing on a small stage. Why not? They started from there.
Zero pressure.
Of course! Being seen as role models. Why not?
Super pressure. Extremely pressured.
Oh, that's it.
Sketch or 3-part book special on Mix and
Oh, yeah.
See behind the scenes of our LA adventures, KCON, ASAP, and the recording of Blink Talk.
Hey! Thank you for that mix and Beanie, of course. I think that's it. And, of course, next ko na yung book. I still have 2 episodes na hindi pa siya napapanood. So, abangan nyo na lang yon. And thank you, Blooms, for joining me here. I hope you enjoy at marami tayong ayuda at chismis na nalaman na hindi natin alam. Nakwento nila dito sa interview na to. So, I hope you guys enjoy it and see you on my next reaction video. Bye. Ingat kayo.